Facebook is a powerful place for businesses, and with Facebook advertising, you can now make an even larger impact. Facebook advertising is a great way to get your business in front of the right people and connect them with your business or brand. Basically, you're connecting with your customers in a place where they're already active and engaged. You yourself have seen Facebook ads. Now it's time to create your own. One of my favorite things about Facebook ads is just how easy it is to create them and how flexible it is for all types of budgets, large or small. You can run an ad for as little as $5 a day. Now, before you create an ad, you'll need to decide your goal. Is it to get more people to your store? Is it to get people to install your app? Or maybe it's to get more people liking and commenting on your page. After choosing an advertising goal, you'll then decide who it is that you want to target. And then you'll define a budget and decide how you want to pay for those advertisements. Before we get into creating ads for H+ Sport, I want to show you an example from my own newsfeed. Here you see what looks like a regular post, but you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner that it says sponsored. Some other posts may also say suggested post. Basically, what this means is that these posts are part of a paid promotion. You might also notice small ads in the right column of your page. These are called sidebar ads, but we're going to focus on the newsfeed ads for now. So let's take a look at this ad on the screen. Now remember, it says sponsored at the top, so that means it's a paid promotion. In addition to the prime real estate on your newsfeed, it has much of the same functionality as a regular Facebook post. At the top, you can see any friends that have liked the page connected with the post, and you can also see the comments, likes, and shares as well. In addition to that social information, you can interact with the ad by liking it, commenting it, and sharing it. And here you can see a clear call to action to download what the offering is. This is what makes Facebook ads so effective in connecting with the right people. Next, we'll see some information about the business. If I were to click the logo or the brand name on Facebook, it would direct me to their Facebook page. Clicking the sponsored link directs the user to a page that describes Facebook advertising. Below we see the message, and this is the main advertising copy. Its goal is to hook the reader, and below that you have the image. This section can also contain a video or it can be left blank. This ad happens to have a link and a call to action to download. Some ads post links to a page outside of Facebook, so they have a second section that contains a headline and a description of that link they're sending you to. All this information can be customized by the advertiser. Some ads also include a custom call to action similar to this ad, and in this case we see that button labeled download. Now it's your turn. Explore Facebook advertising and determine ways that you might be able to utilize it in your marketing objectives.